Hi, I'm Juvel Calubalatian and this is my course project in Biomedical Electronics. So I will make a discussion about the the one that I watch documentary. It's about Geraldine Hamilton body parts on a chip. So I will discuss and I will make a reflection about it after I watch this documentary. So let's proceed. So Hamilton's groundbreaking work on body parts on a chip represent a significant advancement in the field of biomedical engineering. Her research has revol- revolutionized how we study human biology, disease mechanism, and drug responses by creating miniature organ models using microfabrication of or and microfluidic fluidic technologies. So Geraldine Hamilton's work on body parts on a chip. So it's a game changer in biomedical engineering. She has developed a technology that allows us to human organs in a more accurate and efficient way. So traditionally when scientists wants to study how organ work or test new drugs, they use cells cultures in a dish, and but these cultures often don't behave like real organs, making their result less reliable. Then Hamilton's approach changes that. So the concept of body parts on a chip is addresses several critical challenges in the field. So traditionally, in vitro cells culture often fail to accurately uh, what's this replicate the complexity and functionally functionality functionality of human organs, so eliminating their effectiveness in drug testing and disease modeling. So by integrating living human cell on microchips, Hamilton's technology creates more uh, psychologically uh, relevant models that in structures and function of human organs. So one of the key strength of a body on a chip, it is ability to provide a controlled and dynamic environment for for studying organ. Then the microfluidic channel in this devices simulate the natural flow of fluids and nutrients within the organs, allowing researchers to observe the effects of drugs, toxins, and disease on the specific tissues. So the integration of sensor and uh, electronics components further enhance the monitoring and analysis capabilities. So providing valuable data on cellular responses and psychological changes. So she creates tiny models of organs, putting living human cells into microchips. These chips have small channels that make the natural flows of fluids in the organs. So this is creates an environment that closely resembles the real organs, allowing scientists to study them more effectively. So Hamilton's work holds immense promise for the field of the drugs. So discovery in personalized medicine by using this organ on chip, and researchers can conduct more efficient and reliable uh, preclinical testing, reducing the la, like the reliance on animal models, and increasing the trans translational potential of experiment. So the ability to create a personalized organ on a chip models based on individual genetic profiles also opens values for targeted drug screening and personalized treatment approaches. So what's impressive is that these organs models can actually respond to drug, toxins, and disease just like real organs would. The chip are equipped with sensor and electronic components that help scientists monitor and analyze the reaction of the cells. So this technology has many advantages. It it can make drug testing more accurate and efficient, like what I said before, reducing the need for animal testing. It can also help in developing personalized medicine by creating organ models that match a person unique genetic makeup. So by studying organs on these chips, researchers can uh, gain uh, better understanding of how diseases and this like uh, diseases develop and progress. So this knowledge can lead to new treatments and better targeted therapies for patients. So furthermore, body parts on a chip technology has a potential to accelerate the understanding of disease mechanism and enable uh, the develop of more effective therapeutic interventions. So by this studying how disease manifest and progress, which these organs models, researchers can gain insight into disease pathology, identify novel dark targets, and design more precise treatment strategies. So, however, there are still challenges to overcome, making these organs models more complex and closer to real organs in is an ongoing task. So, in summary, Geraldine Hamilton, a body parts on a chip, represent a groundbreaking approach to study human biology and disease by combining biomedical electronics, microfabrication, and microfluidics. And she has pioneered technology that holds significant promise for advancing drug discovery, disease modeling, and personalized medicine. So the question is, what are the biomedical electronics human has ever created and contribute to human? So I will give at least five. So first is uh, electrocardiogram, the ECG. So an ECG is a common uh, biomedical device that records the electrical activity of the heart. It is used to diagnose various heart condition, monitor heart health, and assess the effectiveness of treatments. So the second is uh, MRI. It's a magnetic uh, re- resonance imaging. So this one is a medical imaging technique that uses strong magnetic fields and radio waves to generate detailed images on the body internal structures. It is employed for diagnosing and monitoring various conditions, including tumors, brain disorders, and musculoskeletal issues. So the next one is blood glucose monitors. So wait, I will search it. So these devices are essential for individuals with diabetes to monitor their blood sugar levels. They provide accurate readings, enabling individuals to manage their condition effectively and make necessary adjustment to medication, diet, and lifestyle. So the second one is pulse oximeters. So pulse oximeter measure the oxygen saturation level in the blood. They are commonly used in the medical settings and can also be found in some home healthcare setups. They help assess respiratory function and oxygenation, particularly for individual with respiratory condition or during recovery from surgery. So the next one is cite some biomedical electronics available at home work discussing the importance. So uh, of course, wearable fitness tracker, like this device is such as fitness bands, like the watch. Yes, the smart is the smartwatch. This one is incorporate biomedical sensor to monitor various health metrics like heart rate, uh, steps, and sleep patterns. They encourage individuals to engage in physical activity, track their fitness progress, and promote overall well-being. So home blood measure monitor, yes, the one that I, before I remember my auntie's uh, getting me a blood pressure monitor. I don't know. It's blood sugar. I forget. No, it's a blood pressure monitoring. Yes, I remember here. So that one is the first. No, so later is the sugar, blood sugar. So this one is blood pressure monitors. So home blood pressure monitors allow individuals to regularly check and manage their blood pressure levels. So monitoring blood pressure at home is important for individuals with hypertension, as it helps track their condition and medication and like I forget. This one is important because it have someone have a hypertension, and it helps track to their condition, adjust the medication if necessary. So, and this one is to prevent complication. So, that one. And then the next one is uh, what are its negative effects in human. So the effects the effects is technically malfunction biomedical devices may occasionally experience technical issues or malfunction leading to inaccurate readings, unreliable performance, or potential harm to patients. So, dependency and psychological impact. Some individuals may develop a psychological dependency on certain biomedical devices, leading to feelings of insecurity, or reduce self-esteem. So over reliance on this device may impact on individual sense of self and independence. So also financial burden. The cost of certain biomedical technologies can create financial burdens for individuals or healthcare system. So the next one is this one is the reflecting on the value of medical technologies. So improve healthcare outcome. So biomedical technologies have significantly advanced healthcare by improving diagnostics, treatment efficiency, and patient outcomes. They have contribute to early disease detection, precise intervention, and better management of chronic conditions. So enhance quality of life also, because biomedical electronics have the potential to enhance the quality of life for individual with medical condition disabilities. They provide assistance, restore functionality, and provide independence, thereby improving overall well-being. So by appreciating the value of biomedical technologies, associate can support further research, development, and responsible implementation. This includes investing in healthcare infrastructures, so promoting ethical frameworks and prioritizing patient centric approaches that improve healthcare outcomes and well-being for individuals worldwide. So only that, and thank you. This is all about the Geraldine Hamilton body parts on a chip. So I will put my link, the link that I watch. So thank you, and thank you for watching.